Dear Weiqi members, welcome to this video. This is Yicheng, and I hope you had fun in the March holiday. Today I'd like to share about my perspectives in the questions about the homework. But before that, let me introduce to you a new way, a more systematic way of analyzing a recording of Weiqi game. In maths, we have learned about coordinates. So to make things simpler, we use x, y to report a location. In Weiqi, we do the same thing. So for example, this stone, how do we annotate it? So if you can see from here, it's played by black and coordinate is C18. What about this stone? It's played by white and then A, B, C, D, E, E3. White, E3. Yes, so hope we can learn this method and to use it during our homework next time. Let's go through our questions. So firstly, about this question. 11 of you got it correct. The important way to cut the white into two parts is D15. So in this way, if white plays like this, it will result in a snapback capture. If you can see it. And if it plays here, it will be cut. Another possible way for white to react is either by this, or we will play at E14. If it plays at E14, we'll play at E16. So it's like 剑和, we'll get either one of them. Question 2. In order to survive for the white stone, it needs to kill the black stone. There's a saying about Weiqi called 有眼杀无眼. It means that the side with an eye has an edge over the side which does not have an eye. So in order to prevent black from forming an eye, A3 is a good move. In the end, it will result in a mutual life. Question 3. Similarly, 11 of you got it correct. So possible way is this. Remember to sacrifice this small apple to have the big watermelon alive. And question 4. This move is a very important move. Especially, it wants to connect. However, it also reduces white's liberties and makes white unable to connect. In this case, black will connect with ease. Question 5. How do we do it? Okay, so if you look at this question, white has a lot of spaces, but don't be confused by it. Basically, it has one big space and one small space. How do we approach it? Is we start from the big space because it has more weakness. This is the weakness we're talking about. Because this will result in a snapback capture. If you play at b5, I appreciate the incentive, but it's a bit too direct because without the support, it will be easily eaten. And d8 goes the same way. Question 6. So for black to kill, is by squeezing the eye into a false eye and subsequently eat it. This is quite a simple question. And question 7. Question 7. So you may think of ways like this, or something. However, the simplest move is by playing here. Very easy, right? So in this case, if black blocks, we'll play at here. So a move to make it only one eye. If you play here, this move and this move will result in a 剑和 also. So black will get either of them and be alive. The question at the bottom. So let us learn this shape. It's called rectangle 6. If black plays here, you can see a rectangle, right? And if it is at the side, it's confirm alive. Confirm alive. So white can easily place at one, black will another. Two eyes are formed. And question 9. Okay. So S16 is a very good move. What will happen after this? So at this point in time, the important step is to play at S16 to make it an false eye, to make this eye false eye. Subsequently, play at Q15. Just now, black cannot play it here because it will be eaten due to the shortage of liberty. So after this, black has only one real eye, one false eye. It's that. Last question. Play at R8. White, let's see. So in order to prevent black from forming two eyes, white will confirm to this. Definitely, we eat this stone. And then it results in a mutual life, in which both are alive, which is the best situation that blacks can possibly reach. Another perspective. If white plays here, we play at here. Although it's a snapback capture, it results in a nice 5. It's totally dead, which is not as good as the neutral life. Okay, so these are my perspectives about the 10 questions. And congratulates and thank you for those of you who have attempted the questions. Hope you have fun, and I will see you next Wednesday when school reopens. Bye bye. To clarify, just now I made a small mistake for the answer to question 3. The correct answer should be 05 here. So this will ensure the complete possibility of a real eye. But if you play at 04, white will play at 05. And then we will leave two false eyes, which are not going to make us alive. So the correct answer is 05.